Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informing video. So today I want to show you or tell you about Unreal Mobile. So as you can see right here, I just signed up for it, guys. It was really simple. I didn't even think it was gonna work, but wow, it's so far so good. So it says, congratulations, thank you for signing up for your new Unreal service plan. Your device is being activated right now. You'll receive an email shortly with an order receipt and the next steps for your new Unreal device. Download the Unreal app, install the Unreal app, manage your account and access all Unreal features. It says update your network connection. So next dial pound 72786 pound, which guys, this is the same code on Boost Mobile, and then there is pound 873283. I think that's the same as iPhone. Says your phone will search for network update and install them. Once complete, your service will be active. Note, SMS may take up to 30 minutes to work. MMS may take a few days to work correctly. Get your phone number. A new phone number from your service zip code will be assigned to you. In the next few minutes, you will receive an email with your new number. It's ready. Want to transfer a number from other carrier? You can do that by following the link. Manage your account. You go to my.unreal. So it says change plan, add data, invite friends, even earn free data online. Wow. So we'll check that out, guys. That's how easy it is. I want to tell you how I did it. You just go to the Unreal Mobile website, and then from there I did bring your own device. Guys, this is a crazy thing. This is crazy. You guys all know I have a Stylo 2, right? This is my Stylo 2 from Boost Mobile right here, guys. Stylo 2, I mean, I've always said this phone was probably the best Boost Mobile phone ever. Just because I've had it since the first day it came out, and it's still breathing, it's still working, it's just, overall, it's lasted me such a long time. I mean, guys. So I'm gonna see if the service really works on here and do some speed tests. I did do the $15 a month plan, which will be converted to $20 a month, and that gives you 2 gigs of data. $30 a month would have gave me 2 gigs. I could have done the $10 for 1 gig, but I figured for $5 more, why not get the extra gig so I can really test this plan out, and hopefully it does work. Guys, this is a Boost Mobile LG Stylo 2. It's not unlocked at all, guys, so I did not do anything to unlock the service. All I did was put it in the MEID, and this phone already had a SIM card in there, so I put the SIM card numbers in there. You can get that all in the SIM and the settings of the phone, and it said it was compatible. It did not tell me it did not work, so I don't know. This is crazy. If Unreal Mobile lets you activate Boost Mobile phones even though they're locked to Boost Mobile. I mean, they do use the same service, they do use Sprint, so maybe that's why it works. But guys, what the heck? So I'm definitely gonna test that out for you guys. Let's see if it works yet, where they said due to the pound 72786 pound 72786 pound. So it says warning, this operation will reset the provision parameters to factory default. Do you want to continue? Okay, resetting. There we go. Let's see if it works, guys. Supposedly it's active. I'm gonna check my email to see if it went through or anything like that. The way I did it, guys, you can pay with a credit card. Oh, there it is. It says your Unreal number is here. Let me show you guys. It says your Unreal number is here. Unreal Mobile, welcome to Unreal Mobile. As you can see right there, guys, let me show you. Service, PayPal. Here, let me just load this up so you guys can see the transaction. So there it is, guys. There it is, $15, guys. As you can see, unlimited everything, 2 GB LTE activation fee at all. So it's pretty cool, guys. So as you can see, there it is, $15, and then I got the email. So let's see what my number is. Sweet. So it says, yay. So I got a number, guys. So hopefully that works. Everything looks fine on here. Let's just see if the phone programs. Like I said, this is a Boost Mobile device, so I don't know if it will program, but let's go ahead and see. I do have it hooked up to the network. Let's see what it's doing. Some of the stuff has my address, guys, so I'm trying to hide all that stuff. But let's see if the phone starts programming in just a little bit. Oh, there's some stuff downloading. Oh, that's Netflix. That's just normal stuff. We should be able, says the service should kick in just a little bit. If not, I'm gonna get my refund, you know, because, but I mean, it's $15, so it's not that bad. You're supposed to be able to use the Sprint device on here. It says use your Sprint device. I mean, this is technically a Sprint device. I mean, God, this phone's starting to show its age. Well, let me see if I can show you that it is on Boost Mobile's network. Oh. There's the Amber Alerts or whatever. Oh, there we go. It's activating, guys. It's activating. Let's see what it does. Is it going to work? Like I said, I never unlocked this phone via Boost Mobile. You know, you're supposed to wait a year. Even though I've had this phone for about 2 to 3 years, guys. I've never called in Boost to tell them to unlock it. I haven't had service on it for a while either. I've had service on other phones. So I don't know if Boost Mobile just after a while just unlocks it. But I didn't do anything. For my knowledge, it's still locked. So try it out, guys. I will put the website in the description below so you guys can check that out. So let's see if it activates. Still doing hands-free activation. So I wonder how this is gonna work, guys. If the internet's gonna work, is, you know what? I don't know. I'm excited too. So let's see. Hopefully it programs. Oh my God! It says device has been activated. So there it goes, turn off, turn back on. Guys, what is this? If this really works, guys, can you really buy any Boost Mobile device? Don't pay the Boost Mobile service, just get Unreal. Even though you're not going to get as much data, like I said, it's $10 for 1 gig, $15 for 2 gigs, or $30 for 5 gigs, which for me is enough. Whoop, sorry. But let's see. Let's see. Like I said, I want to do kind of initial speed test. Hopefully that works. But here we go. Supposedly it's active, guys. Let me make sure my number's on there as well, like the one that they gave me. So they'll send you an email with your phone number. It says your real number is here. Account details. So it's pretty cool. I might just go ahead and leave the service, guys, and use it as a backup phone. So let's go ahead and unlock it. Put my passcode in there. There we go. Like I said, this phone is showing its age, guys. I don't know if you can do like SIM swaps. I mean, I wish I put it on a better phone, but I mean, I love this phone, so I'm not gonna complain. It's supposed to be active, guys, so let's go ahead and take it off Wi-Fi and see if it connects via LTE. Let's see. Oh, my data. I need to turn on my data. Wow, my data wasn't even on. What the heck? So, let's see what it's gonna do. Alright, can I make a call? Let's see, can I make a call? And I'm calling myself, so I don't want you to see the number or anything, guys. But if you hear my phone ringing, that means it works. What the bruh? It works. Alright. Shut up. Alright, let me do a speed test. Let's do a speed test. Speed test, guys. Let's see. LG. Does this really work? It's doing a firmware update. But guys, that is crazy. If Boost Mobile really letting you do this, I don't know. So let's give it a sec. It's resetting. So let me close all the apps that are in the background. It did a firmware update, so it is resetting the network. So there we go. Jeez, and this old laptop just sounds like it's about to die. So, alright, so close that. So it says finding server, Wilson, something like that. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do speed test. What is actually connecting? What? Oh, what, buddy? What is this? Look at that. Hey, I mean, here in my house, the speeds are okay. I will test it out outside, but 4. I don't know if you get throttled to only 4. We'll do another speed test in just a little bit. But guys, as well, it did say that the services were still coming in. So text messages, I might not be able to send text messages out just yet, but I will be able to. You know, they said within a couple minutes. So those are the speeds of this service, guys. Let's see. Unreal Mobile so far. So let's do one more speed test. Oh, there we go. So I'm thinking it's getting throttled at around 4. As you can see, it wants to go up more. But I mean, the speeds are not, I mean, they're not crazy fast, guys. I'm getting about 3 down. You saw the best I got 4. Ping is 144. There we go. Oh. And upload, I'm getting about 2, maybe 1. We'll see. Like I said, this is running on Sprint network, so I am inside a building. There you go. So it's not the best, but hey guys, for $15 a month, I can't complain. That's pretty cheap. So I'll go ahead and do more speed tests here in town, outside, and see if I can get faster speed. So thank you for watching, guys. Dragonic Warfare signing off. This is Unreal Mobile. Check it out, first look at it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe.